Okay. Zoom, 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 zoom. What's up, guys? Welcome to my first little vlog. I'm just gonna show you like kind of the daily routine of a detailer. All right, now we're pulling up to my shop. The car that I'm supposed to be doing today is not here. Man, we're still here. And I'm still gonna show you a little bit about the shop and what we do here, maybe a little bit of detailing. I was hopefully gonna do a whole detail for you guys today, you know, put that in the video, but I still gotta wash a boat. So there's still something to do here today. There's always something to do at the shop. Good morning, shop. How you doing? All right, now I got all the lights on in the shop. This is the boat I gotta finish up. I did the whole interior of it yesterday. Now I just gotta get her washed up and sent back outside for the customer. So, all right, false alarm. It looks like the old truck did show up actually, and here she is. See what we're working with today. Okay, little dookie, little dookie. Ooh, a little bit of dookie. Oh, dookie. Let's see what we got in the back. A little messy, a little messy. Now let's see the main area where the driver sits. See what we got going on. Not bad. It's not bad. To you guys, this is probably really dirty. To me, this is a nice, easy day. Okay, so let's get her pulled in. We're gonna get all these dirty old mats on out of here. Bam! Get the fuck out of here. It's your turn, big boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on now. That's what I thought. Ooh. I got all the mats and all the little inserts and all the junk out of there. Now I'm gonna get the vacuum. We're gonna shop vac it all up nice and pretty. Zoom, 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 zimmity, zam, zam. And then we're gonna hit it with the old tornado to get anything out of all the cracks and crevices that we can't. And then we're gonna start the scrub down. First things first though, I need to turn on my old compressor. Yeah, that's how I do it. It's pretty redneck, whatever. And then you go in here, look at the code is 2020 in case you ever wanted to get in here. Bam. And that right there's the old compressor I run off of. Be surprised, she looks little, but goddamn does she do some work. Gotta grab my light, put this on my noggin. This, if you detail without one of these, then you just are missing everything. Put the old light bar up in the ceiling here. You just hook it right like that, and then she stretches over, connects right there, boom. And then you click her on, bam, bam, shazam. All right, buddy, you ready to get the day started? Let's go. I got the interior all blown out and vacuumed, got all those big chunks out of there. Now I'm going to start the wipe down process. That should probably take me about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Grab me my brushes. Hey babies, you guys ready to start the day? There you are. I was looking all over for you. We got a job to do. Get sleeping on the job. Couple of these. Wipe down on the truck is complete. Gonna grab the old shop back here and I'm gonna final vac at all the little chunkers. You can see, look at all the little chunkers that came loose. All right, so the Ford's all done. Got her all finished up and ready for pickup. You guys remember what it looked like. It was pretty crummy and crusty in there and gummy. So yeah, turned out really nice. Big improvement on it. Let's check out the backside too. Yeah, look at that. Seat looks nice and crispy. Mats are done. Everything's done. Looks great. Also did the exterior on this truck. I didn't show everything, but I did clay bar it and give it a 6-month ceramic polymer to give it a good old coating for the season. If you guys made it to the end of this video, which I don't even know what this video is necessarily going to be. I didn't really have a plan, and this is not how every video is going to be. I just figured, I just felt like picking up the camera today and doing something different, making kind of a long form video for YouTube. So if you guys liked it, leave in the comments that you liked it and what you would want to see different. And I already know kind of how I would film it a little different. I'm going to have more videos that are going to be more satisfying, just like my reels you see on Instagram or my shorts here on YouTube. We got some really dirty cars playing, like that Datsun 280Z out back. That thing is filthy as hell. So don't miss that, and I'll catch you guys on the next detail. All right, guys, come on. Time to go inside. We're shutting down. We're shutting down. We're done for the day.